For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a brick with studs on both sides. And I love this because these studs on both sides are very handy pieces, but you don't come across them that often, and they're usually limited to these 1x2 or 1x4 pieces. So to do it ourselves, to make it like a bigger brick, what we're going to do is get a regular brick, any size you want, and we're going to get these little cheese wedge slopes here, these little sloped 1x1 tile pieces. And what we do is we just put that slope piece into the corner of this brick. And how we do that is you're going to put the thick end near the corner of our brick, and you're going to want to make sure that that part, the whole part, is out, facing out. So what you do is you just put that wedge piece, there you have our thick part, and we're putting it into our brick like this. And now notice I am not putting it all the way in. This is very important not to put it all the way in. The reason we do that is because if this comes all the way in, it is a pain to get out of there because it will go all the way in and it's hard to get out. And the reason I do it the whole out is because it's really easy to get your fingernail and just kind of pluck the piece out like this. If you don't do that, it becomes very hard. You can damage the pieces. You might just say, I don't care, I'm throwing it away. But anyway, let's just put that wedge plate back in there. And then we do it on another corner here. And now the thing is, I've discovered that it's a little hard to do it next to each other because this kind of moves a little bit and so it becomes a tight fit. So you really can't do it next to each other, but you just want to spread it out so that they're on the opposite corners. And if you have a larger brick, you could probably space it out so you don't have to worry about that. But for these two across, you're just going to want to separate them like that. And once we have it in, we get a plate piece and just snap it on top like that. And now we have a brick with studs on both sides. And then we take it off, and you can just take those studs out here by grasping those small little holes exposed. Now, I found it's actually better to put them on the plate piece, but for the purpose of demonstration, I did it with the brick piece first. Now the great thing is you can also do it with two bricks together like this. If you notice, I take it apart and there are my little wedges stuck on the sides. So there's a quick tutorial on how to create a brick with studs on both sides. I hope you find this useful, and just remember, please be careful with these wedge plates because if they go all the way down, they're going to be very difficult to get out.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.